Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucas Dantas here. In today's video, again about GoHighLevel, this tool that's completely disrupting the online marketing world. I'm going to show you a client that we have just onboarded on GoHighLevel. We are running Facebook lead generation ads for this client, and we have integrated the Facebook lead generation ad, the form in this case, with GoHighLevel, so we can have this list of potential clients for this agency client. And what I want you to pay attention here is that we create this MVP. It's a very basic snapshot that all we're doing is to send an email notification to whoever fills out the lead form, and also an internal notification to the client. But by doing that, we can then easily introduce the idea for the client to use the CRM because their context is already there. We have built a basic pipeline. You can see it right here on the screen. And we can also introduce the idea of reputation management, the chat widget on their website. We can create other automations like for nurturing leads, but I'm gonna walk you through this integration we have done. Like I said, it's a basic integration, but from here, maybe you can come up with ideas so you can apply to your business. First of all, like I said, we have been running Facebook lead generation ads. So I'm going to show you this integration right here. So we go to settings and then we go to integrations. I was going to show the Facebook ads we have been running, but it's on a different tab. But first, let me show you the integration right here. Before, we had a basic form that was only asking for full name, email, phone number, and city. We were getting a lot of volume, but we were not qualifying the lead as much as we had to. So we're getting volume, but not quality. So then we decided to do a new form, and on this form, we were asking for number of bumpers needed. This company sell fleet bumpers. So whenever someone needs to protect their bumpers, their ambulance, firefighter trucks, any type of vehicle that's sensitive, they might want to do a protector, a fleet bumper protection, and that's what the company does. But now we are asking for more information. We're asking for a number of bumpers needed, the vehicle make and model, full name, email, phone number, company name, city, and state. So this is how we have done the integration. Of course, every time someone fills out the form, they are added as a contact, and we can see it right here on the pipeline. So here we are showing the Facebook ads that we're running. This month so far, from December to December 11th, we have generated 16 leads at $6.79. Very good price, a low price. But like I said, a lot of these leads, not a lot of them, but some of them are not being well qualified. So that's why we're doing these changes. And here in GoHighLevel, we have like basic automation. So first, we have this for new contacts. So every time someone fills out the Facebook lead form, we can see it right here. It's the new form. We add a tag to the lead. We send an email to the lead saying thank you for your preference, and we're gonna get in touch with them in 24 hours. Then we have an internal notification to the client, and we're sending actually this is the notification to the agency, our agency, so we know that we have generated a lead for them. And we also have 10 minutes later a notification to the business owners where we share all the information that was collected: name, phone, email, city, state, company name, number of bumpers needed, vehicle make and model. And we're also telling them to get in touch with this lead as soon as possible. So here we have like a basic setup for GoHighLevel. Our client can run the ads. We are running ads for a client. Every time someone fills out the form, client gets notified, both ends, the agency client and also our client's client. I know it's getting harder, but yes, so everyone's notified. And also, if we want to create more automations, it's easy to do it from here. If we want to introduce the idea for them to manage their contacts from the initial contact until the closing of a sale, it's easier to introduce the idea now because we already have their contacts here. And once the client understands that all he has to do is to drag and drop the leads, and we can automate like an email send or even an invoice that needs to be sent, we can all do that using the automation behind the pipeline. Anyway, just wanted to give you like an overview of how we are strategizing getting paid clients on GoHighLevel. First, we focus on value. So now we're delivering value. We're not charging anything to the client, but then 3 months from now, we can introduce the idea, maybe not even 3 months from now. Like you said, we generated 16 leads in 12 days, 11 days. So really good numbers. The client's happy, but we can upsell more things, and that's the goal. Hope you enjoy this content. If you have suggestions, feel free to send me a message in the comments, or you can also email me. My email is available on this YouTube channel, and you can easily find. Hope you guys enjoy this content one more time. And if you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe to this channel and enable notifications so every time there's a new video, you are notified. point. I want to make you guys as powerful as possible, and knowledge is power. How can we make ourselves more powerful? It's learning more. So I hope this content is helpful for you. And if you know other people that might benefit from this, share with them as well. See you guys.